Hello, welcome to another TCA Cross session for acne scars, and we're joined with one of our lovely patients. Welcome. Thank you so much for coming. So, our patient basically had deep boxcar scars as well as rolling scars. We saw her last year and we did 2 sessions of TCA Cross. Now, typically I recommend doing several sessions of TCA followed either by subcision and laser, kind of combination therapy. But you know, we only got a chance to do 2 sessions of TCA. So here she's today, here for the 3rd session. So welcome, how are you doing?
Good.
So please tell us, how did you do with respect to the TCA and what type of improvements did you get?
After the first session, I did notice, you know, somewhat improvement just in the texture. But after the 2nd session, so where I noticed huge improvement.
Okay.
And I think it actually healed a little bit faster. I felt like my skin took much better to the 2nd session. So I'm excited to get it on the next one.
And then, so what percentage improvement did you feel you got after the 2 sessions combined?
Well, after seeing the pictures, at least 50–60% now that I see the difference.
Yeah, I mean, I think about like 40 to 50%. I do agree. A lot of the deeper ones just filled in.
Yes.
Now, again, before we started, I did say that you just, given the fact that you had kind of moderate to severe acne scars and they were deep, you definitely do need a laser session and you definitely do need subcision. I don't think TCA alone by itself would be sufficient.
Right.
But I think in your case, you got about 50% improvement, which I think is great.
Yes.
Did anybody compliment you? Did anybody else?
People that I haven't seen too, they're like, wow, what'd you do to your skin? And you know?
It's great.
So yeah, I was very happy with, even after just the 2nd one. So.
It's good. We're very happy.
Yeah.
So today we're going to be doing another session. Was it painful? Did it hurt? Did you have a long downtime?
No, I was actually nervous after the first time, but no, pretty much after I left here, I know that the paper says like a week, but it took me maybe 4 days for it to like pretty much scab and start, you know, but no, not painful at all. The downtime was pretty much just the day. The next day was fine. I didn't really feel too much, so.
Perfect, great.
Yeah.
Typically the scabbing sometimes could last about 7 to 12 days. Everybody's different. But I'm happy that yours wasn't that bad at all.
Yeah, no, it wasn't.
So, okay guys, so this is our TCA at 80%, and we're going to mix this with, basically put this in a cup. We don't mix it with anything, so we're gonna put it in the cup. And this is our Q-tip. So what we do, we're going to treat basically all of the acne scars. Again, a lot of people just only treat the ice picks ones. I treat everything, just different technique. With the ice pick, you just want to apply directly into the ice pick, whereas the Boxcar, you want to paint it on, okay? Here we go. So we're just going to bring the bed up a little bit. You excited about this?
I'm super excited.
Here we go. Does it hurt?
No.
And we're trying to put this in all of the deep scars.
Right.
You're doing wonderful. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Doing really well. I love it. Again, I'm trying to hit all the ice pick ones, the rolling ones, along with the Boxcar scars. Again, the scabbing is typically from 7 to 12 days. How are you doing?
Good.
Good. Again, we're hitting like a lot of the spots, guys. Perfect. That's very good. We hit a lot of spots, guys, on this side. Like we did a lot of it. Perfect. Look over towards this side. I think, as you could tell, all the areas that we had basically frosted over. And she does have some of the areas that need subcision. But even those areas that they're deeper that need subcision, and they still work. Don't you think so?
Yes.
Okay. You just want to make sure you don't overlap on those areas. We had it all.
Okay.
There's just a couple spots actually on the temples. I said those as well.
Oh, and then right here, like on the, when you did it the second time, this, on this side, it completely...
You want the forehead, you mean?
Yes.
I
had a really big one there, and it's gone. Like, it's small, like completely small now.
Perfect.
I don't know if you can notice that.
I want to hit a lot of these smaller ones on the forehead right here.
Yeah. They were actually much bigger from the first time I came in. It was crazy.
I hit a lot of the smaller ones over there. And yeah, some on the upper lip as well. Let's hit some of these ones on the upper lip. Perfect. You did great. How does it feel?
It feels fine.
Is it burning a lot?
Not a lot. I mean, you could feel it, but it's nothing major.
Major. So again, the way you're gonna take care of this is that tonight you're gonna wash it with soap, with just water, and just wash it off. Tomorrow morning, you are going to put sunscreen on it, and pretty much that's it. Stay out of the sun. You should not exercise today, but tomorrow you could exercise all you want. No problem. And you're gonna scab about 7 to 12 days, and we'll see you back in 6 weeks.
Yes.
Perfect. Any questions?
No, I'm good.
You did great. She did great. Wonderful. So this is her third TCA session. She got about 40 to 50% improvement after the first two, so we're very happy. And again, probably after the third one, the best thing to do is probably to do subcision or the CO2 laser or subcision CO2 on the same day. And I think it's really gonna take out some of those deeper ones that TCA Cross does not hit. Okay, well, thank you so much for coming.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.